If you're looking for an investment property, have you considered purchasing a new home? We're here today at the Hartnells Farm Persimmon new build site in Monkton Heathfield. They have a couple of 3-bedroom plots still available, but plenty more to follow later this year. There are many benefits to buying a new build property. It will come with a 10-year NHBC warranty. We're in a prime location here and you will attract premium rents because of it. You will also have a low maintenance property, extending the longevity of a tenancy. If you are interested in seeing what's available and what returns you could get on your investment, contact Sam at the marketing suite here or contact us at the property centre.